Are we recording? Are we recording? Can't tell. Oh, we are. Okay. Hi love bugs, welcome back to my channel. It is Peasy Lou here. If you are new, welcome to the Garden of Love Bugs. On my channel, we like to spread lots of love and light. We talk about the law of attraction, all things positive, creating the life you desire, etc., etc. So today's video, we're going to talk about how to manifest money in a really easy and simple way without you even noticing it. So we're talking about abundance logs. I love making abundance logs, and lately I've been slacking, so I just jumped back on an abundance log train like last week. But when you create abundance logs, you start to realize how much money you really have in your life. What we need to remember is our thoughts create our reality. What we think creates how we feel, and how we feel creates how we act. So when we act like we have more money, and we act more happy and focus more on those positive things, more money is going to come to us just naturally, because that's what we're thinking about instead of thinking about lack, you know? So an abundance log is super easy. So starting from the beginning of your day, you kind of just write like a little plus this. Actually, let me just show you mine. Let me see. It's easier to show you than to tell you. Okay, right. Okay, so yesterday. This is my abundance log from yesterday. Can you see it? So plus $2 Uber discounts. I got a Uber discount. Plus $180. So I got locked out of my house and had to call a locksmith, but then I didn't because I got assisted. So that's an extra $180 into my bank account, or that didn't have to come out of my bank account. Plus $2.22. Hey, $2.22. Change that I found in an old purse, etc., etc. So it goes on and on and on. But well, not really on that much. I went to sleep early last night. But so you get it. So anything that's coming to you for free, or any type of discount that you're getting, that's more money in your pocket. And we think about it naturally, like right when it happens, like, oh, hey, I just got a free coffee. But we're not writing down like, hey, plus $5 free coffee today, plus $8 I got a free beer today, plus what was that? Oh, plus $40 I skipped dinner with friends last night because I needed to get some rest. So basically, if you create these logs, when you go back and look through them every day, you're gonna realize like, dang, this is how much money I didn't spend or that came to me. You know what I mean? So it doesn't necessarily have to be somebody gave me $100, and if nobody else gave you anything the rest of the day, you didn't attract any abundance. Abundance is all around us, like everywhere. We are attracting abundance at all times. Like, it just is what it is. I wash my own hair. I wash and dry and flat iron my own hair. That's how much money in my pocket? I don't know, $75, whatever it is. Just get used to making abundance logs and starting off the way, I mean, again, just get used to doing stuff like this. It's like super duper simple. Do it every single day. And then like, even after a week, just go back through, look through and be like, okay, wow, like I actually did like get a lot of abundance and prosperity into my life today. And the whole point of it is once you are looking back at your abundance logs, you feel that goodness. You feel like you have so much, like so much is coming to you. And that's the whole point of the abundance log. When you feel like something is coming to you and money is always coming to you, you're gonna attract more of it. So it might be like, oh, Peasy, like that's not getting me money every day, but it really is, because it's all about what's in our mind. So once you have that mind frame of so much abundance coming to you, you're gonna attract more and more things. Like I challenge you, do it for like a month, and then a month later, do it again, and then compare and contrast those abundance logs, and I guarantee you'll have so much more abundance on the next log. So that's all I really have for you love bugs today. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and remember to hit that bell notification so you can get notified every time I post a video and you don't miss out on any of this amazing content. All right guys, so until the next time, bye.